Ready to wrap up your day? Let's see how simple it is to close your shift with Foodnerd POS. Just head to the top right menu, select End Shift, and confirm on the pop-up to generate your detailed daily report. Instantly, your detailed shift report is generated. At the very top, you get a quick, powerful summary of your financials. Effortlessly track your opening and closing cash, plus see a complete breakdown of total pickup and delivery orders. As you scroll down, you can dive deeper into your sales performance, viewing gross sales, discounts, and net sales for a complete picture. Want to focus on specific data? Use the toggles on the left to easily customize the report, showing only the sections you need to see. Get a crystal clear view of your revenue streams with a breakdown by delivery platforms and your main POS. Below that, every order from the shift is listed with its number, time, and total amount. This provides a complete audit trail and removes any guesswork from your daily accounting. Discover your best sellers instantly. The item sales section details every product sold, its quantity, and the revenue it generated. You can also analyze sales by menu category to understand trends and review voided items to maintain control for your business. Maintain complete financial control. Your report itemizes all business expenses, rejected orders, and returned orders from the shift. Understand customer payment preferences with a breakdown of sales by cash and credit card. After reviewing the grand total, scroll to the top. Here, you can instantly print, download as a PDF, or email this comprehensive report directly for your records. Finalize your day with one click. Select End Shift and Send Email to automatically distribute the report. A success notification confirms the process is complete. It's that easy.